This is Nokia G60, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So the first step that you need to take is to launch the Google Play Store, and prior to that, of course, make sure that your device is connected to the network. We highly recommend that you use the Wi-Fi for downloading basically anything. So once your device is connected to the Wi-Fi, and just go ahead and launch the Google Play Store, then type in Opera like so. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the application to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can just go ahead and launch the Opera. While opening it for the first time, we gotta undergo a very simple setup procedure. So in here, tap on the blue continue button, choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app. I'll skip this step. And finalizing the setup, you can also customize and allow or respectively restrict the permissions and access that you're going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for, which I'll do myself, and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.